currents in a circuit. The diagram below shows a circuit where R1, R2, R3 are given and voltages are given. So we have to find the value of each current. In order to solve this problem, we have to know a few rules, okay, which can help you to solve any similar problems. The first of all, what I would do is I would draw a loop. So I always try to do a loop clockwise. So let's say this is loop 1, this is loop 2. So let's write down equation for the loop 1. So we start with battery. As you can see, when it goes from minus to plus, so if I put plus V1, and then voltage drop across the resistance, so therefore I say minus R1 current 1, and then as you can see, as I go here, the direction of the current of I2 is opposite, so I add instead of subtracting it. So I write down R2 I2, then finally it goes to the second battery, so it ends in the minus, so plus minus, so therefore it will be a negative V2, which is equal to 0. Now let's write down equation for the second loop. So let's start with the second battery. So it will be from minus to plus, so it becomes plus V2, then voltage drop across the R2, so therefore minus R2 current 2. Then I come to the cross R3. The current I3 is opposite to my loop, so therefore it will be added plus plus R3 I3, and then it ends with a minus of the battery V3, so therefore it will be minus V3. So the reason that I'm explaining is that this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. So now when my loop is going like this one, so I go from plus to minus, so therefore it's minus V3. It's equal to 0. Then third equation will be the current. So as you can see, current 1, current 2, current 3 all enters to this junction, okay? This junction. So therefore, what I say is that current 1 plus current 2 plus current 3 is equal to 0. Of course, one of them has to be negative, or two of them has to be negative, okay? Because whatever enters into the junction has to leave that junction. So that's it.